guys, so today I came to the beach with my kids to the lake. They're having a little bit of fun. It's super hot right now.
Voltea, hija. Milan.
Okay, so we are gonna go home right now, and it looks super ugly. My kids had a lot of fun. Did you guys have fun? See? So we just got home, as you guys can tell, and I put my hair up in little buns because it is super hot outside. I took my kids a bath, a shower. I'm actually teaching them to take a shower by themselves, so my daughter already knows how to take a shower. And I'm just chilling because I already made my husband dinner. And then right now we are going to go to a dental appointment for my son for school. So they're watching Mr. Bean. If you guys don't know him, he's really funny. We're ready to go to the appointment. My son just made a mess. I'm going to clean that when we come. It's freaking hot outside. Voltea, hijo. Milan. Te ves aquí, mira. Sí, que nada pasa.
No tienen pico, se va.
No tienen picos, hija.
Se va a pasar nada. Y no llora. ¿Me van a revisar mi panza?
Los dientes.
Wow, you did a good job. Give me 5. Ahora tu papi. Ahora Monse. So that went really well. My son wasn't scared, and the people there were actually really nice. There's this one doctor and dental assistant that are really nice. Most of the people that were in there last year, they were kind of rude and kind of mean, but this year I think they're being nicer. So we are headed to the dollar store. We're gonna buy a little light that's missing from our room. They're actually hiring here. So since my daughter and my son are gonna go to school, I'm kind of thinking of starting to work.
No vamos a comer chicle. Cuando comamos vamos a comer nada.
No, mejor agarren aquí, hay M&M's de estos, mira. Otra cosa.
¡Está bien grande!
We just arrived to our street. Look what's happening. Someone opened the thing over there. Oh my god. Tenemos que grabar el chisme, Rodolfo. ¿Eh? Look what's happening. Oh my god. No sé por qué hacen eso. Look at all the water. Mira los chorros. No se acerques tanto. Mira. Hazte para acá, mija.
Milan, hazte para acá. Háblale a mí.
Esa agua donde está, es un agua.
They opened it on purpose because it's freaking hot outside, but it wouldn't waste the water. Look. ¿Verdad? Ahí están bien mucha agua.